I'll start with Halo quickly, and we'll jump into some of the other stuff we've got going. By the way, I've had Halo running for some time as this thing was going on, so as you can see, it was doing a quick transcription of everything. But not just that, it was also giving you a quick summary on real time, and not just with the summary, it's also recommending you the questions that you need to be asking to move the discovery in the right direction, to move the conversation in the right direction. And on the left-hand side, and this is across all your calls, your Zoom, Teams, RingCentral, it's essentially listening to everything you're saying and you're hearing, and it's got a real-time stream of the audio, so it's detecting the emotion. So when you're doing your screen sharing, you're basically not seeing what your participants are seeing or what the expressions they are showing. So this is where it's going to constantly let you know who's interested, who's not, with a disc profile of their personality, so you know how to counteract that. And then you go into your guidance, so it's got battle cards that are going up. So when we have got competitive mentions coming up, like Gong or People.ai, stuff like that, those pop up. It's making sure that...
share your screen now, so we're all ready to go.
I'm sorry? Okay. All right, so it's also giving me checklists to make sure that I cover everything. And this is something on the guidance side, but here's the kicker, right? As soon as my call gets done, I've got everything that's happened and discussed in the call summarized, and within a click, it's captured everything. So we've got agents in the back end, about 50 plus, doing this work with you in real time. So everything you usually have, probably the end of the day or a couple of hours aside, just to update your CRM, your hygiene stuff, it's doing that with you real time, and it's just a click away. So your next steps, state changes, close dates, all of those, these agents are detecting in the real time and suggesting you what to improve. And all of this comes in with human in the loop. Now, let me quickly also jump into what rest of the day in the life of an AE looks like. So we've seen how it does that. You log into Halo, it's populating your entire day, your emails, your calendars. It's also showing you what you need to be replying to. So it's pulling in or sending out. So if you've got an issue with, if you're essentially looking at some buyer with a concern about your InfoSec, it's going to recommend you what email you can shoot to help that accelerate faster. We've got avatars, which I will cover in a separate demo, and pre-meeting briefs, which come up as well in real time before a call is about to start. So it's pulling in all the information which we spoke about, latest news, disk profiles of your participants available as well. And then between calls, it's able to detect tasks that you need to make sure to get done. And all of this with the human's involvement. So it's telling you why this task is important, why this deal is important. It's not just that the AI is doing it for you. It's telling you what it suggests you to do. It has answers ready for you. And then it goes ahead and says, all right, let's do this, right? So if you like it, send it out. If you don't, go ahead, edit it. There's a human in the loop always involved. So this is a quick glimpse into Halo, and I'll quickly show you our lovely army of avatars as well. So like I said, there's a sales coaching, that capability that comes in. So essentially, we've got the coaching agent or the avatar who joins in this call. And this avatar is coming in with the disk profile of the participants. It's got context of every conversation that has happened beforehand. So it's coming in with, you can basically go into it with expectation.
Hi, Shrikan. How can I help you today?
So you can essentially go into this call, practice your pitch. You can practice with objections. Let me show you a quick demo. Hey there, did you get a chance to see the deck that I had shared with you, and do you have any questions?
I glanced through it, but I have some questions. I'm curious about the ROI specifics for the features you're offering. How do they translate into tangible benefits?
So here she's being a difficult buyer for us. That's why, she doesn't like it. So, yeah. So I'm going to shut her down in the interest of time, and now I'm going to jump into. So that's a speed run for you guys. And then we've got an AI SDR, and while she loads up, let me reload that. So so this is essentially an AI SDR who's sitting on your website. Now, it monitors everything that you are doing on the website. It's also looking at every click you've done, and it's just an IP to company to match, so you know that it's a valid lead that's coming in as well.
Hi, this is Sarah from Aviso. What brought you here today?
So
Are
this
you
app-
looking for help with sales forecasting, pipeline management, or revenue intelligence?
Yeah, so this avatar here is trained completely on the Aviso website as well as a 420-page manual. So I can ask any question, but not just that, it's also trained in the spiced methodology. So it'll also do the job of qualifying me on the go. And based on that, it can either redirect me directly into a sequence, making sure that I'm partially qualified, to keep me warm, and when I'm in the right space, assign me to an SDR. But in the ideal case, if I'm qualified in this conversation itself, it's going to block some time with me and assign that call to the right rep as well. I'll just ask one question in the interest of time. Hey, Sarah, can you tell me how Aviso does conversation intelligence?
Great question. Here's how Aviso handles conversation intelligence. Aviso uses AI to generate an automatic summary of your meeting. It provides a speaker-wise transcription, so you can review who said what. You can click on any part of the transcript to watch the corresponding video or listen to the audio. Even more powerful, Aviso AI categorizes the transcription based on its meaning. It assigns topic tags, like keywords, themes, intent, or objections, to help you quickly find the most important parts of the conversation. It's a really effective way to get insights from your sales calls without having to listen to the entire recording. Does that match what you were hoping to find out? Would you like to explore how this could fit into your current process?
So there you go. Now it's trying to figure out the situation. And we can do a more detailed demos. We can connect after this. But in the interest of time, I'm going to, yeah.